Hey friends, this is Dr. Pawan, your surgery educator on Unacademy platform, and today I'm here to talk to you about something. So in the last month, I conducted many special classes and I started one series on the Unacademy platform by the name Short Test in Surgery, and it had 10 parts and it got really good response. Like hundreds of you came and attended that particular series live. So I thought, why not give the information to you right away in the form of video, whatever the special classes I'll be conducting in this month, so that you can come and attend it and maybe you can find useful to it. So if at all, the whole point of making this particular video is that if at all you wish to attend it, you have the information and you don't miss it. That's it. So if at all by any chance you're interested in what are the special classes I'll be conducting on the Unacademy platform in this month, keep watching and I hope it will add some value to your life. So yeah, this is the particular schedule. On the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th, I'll be starting another series that is a surgery quiz. So there is a surgery quiz part 1 to part 5, which will be conducted on the Unacademy platform from 7th to 11th at 11 p.m. at night. So all the sessions which I have scheduled are at 11 p.m. at night so that you don't lose the track, like you know that when is the particular session going to come. So yeah, from 7th to 11th, that is the surgery quiz part 1 to part 5. Okay, then I decided that why just to kind of discuss MCQs with you, why not go deeper into some particular topics. So in the kind of last month I had got a couple of requests that I should talk about renal stones, I should talk about trauma. So these were the two most common requests which I had got. So I thought, why not go into those particular topics and talk about them. So on the 12th, I will be going in depth about the renal stones. On the 13th, I'll be discussing the blunt abdominal trauma. On 14th, I'll be discussing the sutures and the knots. On the 15th, I'll be discussing about the neck dissection and the neck nodes. And on 16th, I'll be talking about the testicular tumors. So these are the topics in which I'll be going in depth. And if at all you wish to come, you can definitely come and attend it. And yeah, the timing will be the same, 11 p.m. at night. So for now, we saw that there will be 5 sessions on the surgery quiz. Then these will be the individual topics: renal stone, blunt abdominal trauma, sutures and knots, neck dissection, neck nodes, and the testicular tumors. Okay, so on the 17th, I thought, why not conduct a image based quiz, because images are something which are always kind of fun to discuss with you guys. So I thought on 17th, let us discuss a image based quiz. So on the 17th, we'll be having an image based quiz. Then on 18th, I'll be having a discussion about the AIIMS Championship test series, or AIIMS Championship test. Now what is this? So this is basically a free test series which has been initiated by the Unacademy platform for the mid-year exams. It has already started. The first paper is over. If at all you want to kind of be a part of it, it's completely free of cost again. So if at all you want to be a part of it, you can just follow the link below, and you will be directed to a page where you can enroll and you can take these particular tests. And you will also be getting the video explanation. So like I'll be discussing the surgery part and a couple of more subjects on the 18th at 11 p.m. again, right? On the 19th, what I thought that I will just have a casual discussion with you guys, because I get so many of messages like, so this study strategy, how to revise, how to do these things. So first of all, there is no one way of doing it. Like many students do it in a different ways, and there are multiple ways of doing it. So I decided that I'll just give you a couple of suggestions which I think might work. Then I'll take up live Q&A related to the study preparation and the study hacks. And yeah, hopefully the conversation which we have will be a bit productive and you will gain something out of it. And if at all you feel that it might add to your preparation, you can imbibe it into your study pattern and hopefully end up getting a bit help from it. That's the only reason I thought that on 19th I'll just have a conversation with you, and just so that you don't feel that you have entirely wasted your time, we will also be having a very small quiz of, let's say, 5 questions or something like that on the 19th. Okay, but I assure you that if at all you come, I'll give the suggestions which I have. I'll tell you a couple of tricks by which you can use the technology to kind of compile the images and everything so that it's easier for you to revise. On the 20th, I'll be having my last special class, that is a free class. On the 20th, I'll be talking about the upper GI bleeding. Okay, so we will be covering about the peptic ulcers and the esophageal varices and management and everything. So on 20th, we will be going in depth and talk about the upper GI bleeding. So these are all the special classes I'll be conducting in the month of May. Then guys, from the 21st, my course on the live classes on the Plus platform is starting. So that is basically a foundation batch which we have started for NEET 2021. The surgery classes are going to start from 21st. And yeah, in this I'll be taking surgery for 99ers, and if at all anybody of you wishes to learn surgery on the foundation batch with me, please be there. I will be more than happy to connect with you on the Plus platform. And if at all you wish to join, please consider using my promo code. My promo code is dr.pawan. If you use this, you will get around 10% off. Okay, so that's all guys. This particular last thing which I talked about, the foundation course, that is not free. It is basically a paid subscription which you will have to take on the Unacademy platform, and you will get access not only to my lectures, you will get access to the unlimited access to all the videos on the Unacademy platform by any educator. The only reason I'm saying this because on 21st my live classes on the of the surgery in the foundation batch are starting. So that is basically, I just wanted to give you an information, right? So that's it guys. So this is the information of all the free special classes which I'll be conducting in month of 2020. And yeah guys, if at all you wish to attend any of these classes or all of these classes, just go to that particular page and that particular class and click on the button notify me, so that you will get a message and you will get an email just like half an hour before the start of the class, so that you don't miss it, because we all are busy in life and we might miss it. So yeah, if at all you wish to attend, please do that so that you won't miss it. That's it guys. Hope to see you in the live classes, and yeah, thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video till last. And yeah, hope to see you in the live classes. Really looking forward to connect with you, and I'll try my best to make those particular time which you devote on the free platform valuable to you. Thank you so much. See you in the live classes. Bye.